You have a methodology that you've developed. In fact, it's proprietary, and it's called no fail trust. In today's ever-changing landscape, artificial intelligence, work from home, hybrid work, thing, homeschooling, things are off balance. There is no normal. There is no new normal. Talk to us about trust and what it takes to establish that, grow it, and develop it, because this is something that can get lost in this new world, this new landscape.
Yeah, Seth, trust, a lot of times people that we walk up to somebody and says, "Man, just trust me." And the reality is that it's not that simple. There's different types of trust. There's a basic level of trust when you hire me to do a job. The simple level of trust is I'll do the work and you'll pay me, and we trust each other to execute that. But then when we go beyond that basic level of trust in the workplace, it doesn't matter whether it's hybrid, whether it's in the office, whether it's a high performance team like Navy SEAL Team 6 or Delta Force. In order to get to that level of no fail trust where I know you're going to execute the mission, I have to set you up for success. I do that through trusted training, trusted processes, and then I can trust you and empower you to execute the mission. And that's what no fail trust is all about. You see, a lot of times what people do, Seth, is they'll say, "Here's the books, go figure it out on your own, and I've empowered you." Well, what you really did is you took that person and you actually forced them to go into a corner and realize, I have no idea what I'm doing. And therefore, even though you told me I'm empowered, and even though you told me you trust me, you actually didn't set me up to truly be empowered and execute the mission, because I don't have the training and I don't have the processes that supports that training to then truly be empowered to execute the mission at the highest levels that I'm capable of.